In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drop-down price list in Google Sheets. This can be incredibly useful when you're setting up a bill table and want to associate specific prices with selectable items from a drop-down menu. Let's break down the steps to achieve this in a clear and concise manner. To begin, imagine you have a bill table. In this table, we'll be using drop-down menus to choose items, and we want the corresponding prices to automatically appear based on our selection. The magic happens with a function called VLOOKUP, which will help us retrieve the appropriate price for each item selected. The first step is to establish a separate list for the items and their respective prices. While you have the option to place this list on a different sheet, for simplicity, I'll demonstrate by placing it within the same sheet. It's important that this list contains all the items and their prices aligned side by side, typically with the item names in one column and the prices in the adjacent column. Now, let's dive into using the VLOOKUP function. In your bill table, navigate to the cell where you want the price to magically appear once you choose an item from the drop-down. Click into that cell and begin by typing an equal sign followed by VLOOKUP, all in uppercase, and then an opening parenthesis. This signals the function that an action is about to take place. The first parameter you'll provide is what's known as the search key. This is crucial because it's the point of reference the function will use to find the corresponding price. For our example, the search key is simply the cell where the drop-down menu resides. Let's say that cell is B3 on your sheet. So, select cell B3, then add a comma. Next up is specifying the range. The range comprises the columns containing both item names and prices. It's essential to highlight both these columns, ensuring they extend down to include all possible entries in your list. To prevent any accidental changes when you copy this formula across other cells, lock these cells by adding $signs before both the column letters and the row numbers of your range. Now, append another comma to move on to the next piece of information. The third element is the column index, which tells VLOOKUP exactly where to find the price in the range. Since our prices are located in the second column of the range, we'll input the number 2 here. Add yet another comma to transition to the next part. Finally, we have the sorted parameter, which defines whether the range is arranged in ascending order. Since our list isn't sorted, we'll type false for this aspect. Conclude the command by closing the parenthesis and pressing enter. And just like that, you will see the price appear in the designated cell, corresponding neatly to the selected item from your drop-down. This method not only streamlines your billing process, but also ensures accuracy and efficiency. Give it a try and elevate your Google Sheets game today.